In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Forms in Chrome. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. Whether you're creating surveys, quizzes, or any other form of interactive engagement, accessing Google Forms is your first step. So make sure you're ready and let's get started. First things first, to begin, you'll want to open a new tab in your Chrome web browser. If you're on a computer, simply click on the little plus sign next to your current open tabs, or you could use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+T on a Windows machine or Command+T if you're using a Mac. This new tab will be your blank canvas for accessing various Google apps, making it the perfect starting point for this task. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Chrome window. There, you'll notice a Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid made up of 9 dots. Click on this icon to unfold a world of Google services at your fingertips. You'll see an array of options like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. This menu is your gateway to all that Google has to offer. Once the menu opens, look for the Forms icon. This is the purple icon and might sit among several other colorful icons. It might be a little down the list, so you might need to scroll to find it. Clicking on the Google Forms icon will immediately open up Google Forms in a new tab. This takes you directly to your Forms homepage, where you're ready to start working on your new form project. If, by any chance, you can't find the Forms icon right in the initial view, don't worry. These apps are organized based on your usage, so it might be further down if you haven't used it recently. Just keep scrolling until you spot it. Another tip is that you can even drag and drop icons within this menu to rearrange them as needed, putting Forms in a more convenient spot if it's something you use frequently. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully opened Google Forms in Chrome. Now you're ready to create, edit, and share forms with ease. Remember, Google Forms is a powerful tool that can simplify data collection in numerous ways, so take advantage of its features. I hope this guide has made it clear and easy for you to access Google Forms. Keep practicing, and soon this process will be second nature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to help boost your productivity with Google applications.